Welcome to project number 4. During this project, we're going to take a look at automating a function inside of Excel. So open in front of you, I've got the example file called automatesumfunction.xlsx. This is going to be a part of this series of lectures for this project. Make sure you download it. Now I've got a completed version open in front of you of the project that you're about to create, utilizing the skills and VBA that you're going to master. Now here's the big picture. We've got 4 worksheets inside of this workbook. What I'd like to do is go through each of the worksheets and automate dropping in the sum function for the total expense column on each worksheet. Now one of the issues that we're going to talk about here is each worksheet, although there's consistency in it, such as the F column contains the total expense on every worksheet, the amount of data, so where the calculation should go to and how many rows it should calculate, is different. So you're going to master the technique of utilizing variables to help you with this, to finding that last cell, to getting its address, to creating the calculation, and then looping it through all of the worksheets. Now let me show you what this looks like. I've already got a completed file right here. I'm going to hit a button and it's going to do all of that for me. So I'm going to go up to my developer tab. I'm going to go to macros. I've got a procedure in there that you're about to create called automate sum, and I'm going to go ahead and run it. And this is quick, and I'm done. Now every worksheet now has the calculation, the sum calculation, summing up the total expense. All done. One button press. Just a little bit of code, a variable, finding cells, creating a calculation, and looping it to get that to automate for you. So get ready for this. This is our next project, and you're going to further master some key concepts of Excel VBA.